Frasers have been installing solar on their sites for a number of years, and they've worked with a few solar companies that haven't quite hit the mark in terms of quality and project management. Smart has been working closely with Frasers for the last couple of years in order to construct buildings efficiently with solar in mind, and off the back of that work we're awarded the New Pure project. Both Frasers and Smart hold the same values in terms of long-term relationships and quality projects, and the two businesses have been able to come together to produce a great result for New Pure. This was a unique project because Smart were engaged quite early and were able to provide overall engineering advice, in particular around the structural aspect, where Smart were able to design the array efficiently to achieve the desired system size, as well as meeting the requirements of New Pure regarding natural light. So we were able to be creative with the skylight configuration. Some of the technical challenges we faced on this job were working with Frasers regarding the purlin spacing so that we could try and reduce the cost of the mounting system, adhering to the strict 12-week install timeline. So we had to find ways to accelerate the program where possible. So instead of using cranes, we ended up implementing helicopter lifts to move the materials onto the roof. And lastly, managing safety on the roof with a large amount of skylights. So we had to find ways to mitigate that risk. Selection of components for a project like this with long-term performance requirements is extremely important. There needs to be a balance struck between cost effectiveness, quality, and company bankability. Smart selected Trina as the solar panel provider for this project, and Smart have been working with Trina since the business started, and they've been a great partner over the years. Trina, being one of the largest manufacturers of solar panels in the world, bring that company bankability and scale, which drives cost efficiencies in their products. Being a large C&I project, the system required inverters that were truly commercial in nature. FIMER's PVS 100 inverters are one of the largest string inverters on the market. By selecting these inverters, we were able to both reduce the footprint of the inverter station on the site, which is valuable real estate, as well as reduce the amount of inverters from anywhere from 12 to 24 units compared to other string inverter manufacturers, thus creating less potential points of failure. This project was important to Frasers as it was the first C&I site that they had developed for their sister business, Real Utilities, who act as the electricity retailer to the tenant. The project wasn't just important to New Pure as the tenant, but also Real Utilities, who are relying on long-term cash flows generated by the solar on the site. This has been a landmark project for both Frasers and Smart, being recognised in the 2020 Clean Energy Council Awards, and also solidifying the relationship between Frasers and Smart for ongoing projects. Smart and Frasers are continuing to build on this relationship with two new exciting projects on the way, which don't just include solar, but also storage and biodiesel generators.